Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, my name's Destiny, and this is my channel, Manifest by Destiny. Here I talk about basically plants now. It used to be a lot of different things. Check my old videos. Now it's plants and me traveling the USA and shopping different big box, grocery stores, supermarkets, and some nurseries here and there. I really didn't shoot a June favorites. I did kind of document what happened when I left my plants here alone for 2 weeks by themselves. It's been an interesting summer here as a plant mom. Basically like a plant mom update. I lost a lot of Hoyas. I lost a lot of moss and ivies. My favorite plants, the Algerian ivies that I have, are still going strong and they're still kicking, surprisingly. And yeah, I have lots of new plants that I'd like to show you all in my July favorites, which I'm probably going to record after this video. So in today's video, I'm showing what happened after I left my plants alone for 2 weeks, 14 days. Too long, if you ask me. My Hoya bibliata, I'll put the name on the screen, is not doing well at all. She wasn't really doing well to begin with. But as you can see, this whole side of her is gone. So I'm thinking she just got too much sun on one side coming in from that window. And just not enough water. This one needs too much water, so I feel like I'm going to let this plant go. I just don't have the ability to keep up with her. It's like 5 minutes until the store closes, but I came across, the cuddly cactus right now. They have it on sale for $7. Such a good price. They're so cute. And then they have other tropical plants over here. It's a good price. And then for outside, here's an update on one of my favorite plants. I don't think I've actually watered her yet, so let's give her some water. Yeah, so she needs some water. You can tell by the folded leaves. I'll show all of my Skindapses and how their leaves just kind of fold up. Looks like there might be some fungus in there or something. Somebody's walking in there. This is an important part of plant momming. Making sure you check the soil. And for me, recording, having this camera is great because it picks up things that the human eye can't pick up without saying it over and over and over. My 2 baby snake plants seem to be doing good. I still believe they're Sansevieria. I don't call them Dracaena, but yeah. They seem to be doing good. They didn't get too many bugs, so as you can see, the bugs don't like being over here because this one has rocks to protect the soil. And that one barely has any soil in it, so yeah. It grew in really weird. But I'm thinking about combining these two. When two become one. My hanging baskets are not getting enough light over the top. So you can see kind of where the leaves aren't getting enough light up in here. So I need to water these and rotate them. See if I can get this one out too. This one's almost ready to fall off. This one looks ready. Not yet. Give them time. I've been waiting for you. Waiting for you at the door. Had to be a little aggressive with that one. So here I'm collecting leaves. Just gonna go through and get all of the debris. And we'll see how it looks when I'm done. The jade pothos. Got a little water, so she's coming through. But she missed me. And because she's smaller, she needed water more often. My smaller plants, they are like, lady, what are you doing? Usually they don't need water often, but because it's become summertime, they're a lot more thirsty. This one, my Brazil philodendron, she looks like, I don't know. I'm trying to get her to drink up as much water as she can because I'm trying to get my Brazil philodendron to drink up as much water as she can because she looks like she's just not gonna make it. All the leaves on my Scandapsus except for this one, but she's growing towards the light. This one just looks like it gave up. Hopefully, I gave it some water yesterday and I gave it some more today because it just wasn't enough. I'm trying not to like shock it with water, so. My Enjoy is done for. You're done, sis. You're done. It was so hard to keep her alive. So hard. I don't know if this node is still alive. I don't know. You were very much so a hassle, but may you rest in peace. Definitely one of the plants I'm struggling with. I didn't even know I was struggling with you. But I don't know. I don't know, because the one next to it is one of my faves for the month of June because look how much new growth she has. She's doing well. She didn't get burnt out. She still has that pretty pink coloring. I decided to repurpose the Enjoy soil into the snake plant just to top it off. I think it looks good. It's very sandy and has bark, so I think it'll be good for my Sansevieria. More updates. This used to be a beautiful propagation leaf. These two, they survived. They weren't together, but I figured I'd put them together. Keep them in some water. My pia tree, my ivy tree, done for. Pia tree is done for. She was in front of the, she just got too much light, way too much light. From being right here in front of the grow light, it like shines down on her. So far, this is what I have. All the variegated pieces of this Hoya croaked. Super random. Has really, really chunky soil. So I'm sure it needs watering more. These sticky traps really, really work. But down in there where they were really tucked in and planted closely together, some of the leaves died. The ones on top seem to be doing good, so I'd say she survived a 2-week vacation. The rainbow moss, I think, is completely done. The water props did really well. They did lose some water on top, but see the roots? Clean up on all 5. My Hoya australis lost the whole stalk. It could be because it was new here or because like all the other plants, it didn't get enough water and too much sunlight. I'm thinking that's what happened here. One of my other June favorites is this. Let's see, who are you? My Sansevieria zalenica, I think it's called, Superba. One of my snake plants. Look at that. Hopefully it's picking it up. I was like, what's going on in there? I have never seen anything like that. I'm like, yo, I left these plants alone for too long. Now they're starting to change and transform. I believe it's a bloom. I believe that my snake plant, which sits like right here with its other siblings, and this one, and this one, and then in the middle, this one sits. And she's blooming. Definitely a part of my June favorites. Part of my all-time favorites. I want to get a very good, like, oh no. I just did a boo-boo. My bottom did this. I'm trying to get it to focus on there. You can see like the white pus started coming out. I kind of got it to focus. Oh no. Touched on my hand. That's not good. I don't think I can propagate this. I think this is called like air propagation. I don't know how to do that, so goodbye. Goodbye. All of these have been watered. Hopefully they're doing good. This one soaked it up completely. I think it could take some more. She's so sad. She's so sad and lifeless. The money trees did good. I just watered them. This sticky trap has something white on it though. I can't tell. Obviously it's a pest, right? But I don't know where it came from. It wasn't really on the leaves. There's lots of new growth in my smaller snake plants that are here near the window. My aloe vera. Lost a piece of aloe vera. My palms seem to be doing good. The tips were turning brown, so they needed some water. This one needs a little refill. It's definitely getting a lot of sun. Spotted blue, nice and bushy. My ivy's pretty dry. She's thirsty. Most of my snake plants did really well. I'll move them around so they can get some sun, new growth. Global green. For it to be between two large plants, I feel like it didn't get enough fruit flies. Can you see them? There you go. I feel like it should be way more on there. One of my June favorites. I'm loving the blue. It's giving Gemini vibes. I thought you were green, but no, you're actually blue. She looks pretty dull right now, but in person, I'll try to insert a photo. I don't know if the camera will be different than the video recorder, but she's so blue. She needs water. You can see she's like down. Global green needs water as well. But they definitely put out a lot of new growth while I was gone. Growing towards the sun. Some new growth. It looks like one of the stalks back there fell down. More new growth.